Orange. Alright, hold on. Right, hold on, I'm going to read it first. We have air, plane, plane, yeah, plane. Yeah, it's good. Travel. Excellent. Right. Obi, you picking colour?
Don't you want that?
I'm going to pick yellow. You want yellow? The airplane was on the runway. Good. I prepared to take off to the skies of Arizona. Arizona. Good, Yobi. Well done. To see my sister Sue. Now I'm going to say it again. Sister. Good. So that's a Sister Sue. This is Sister Sue. Next. Donut. The passengers were excellent. Their seats when the flight attendant spoke. We're sorry your flight has been delayed. Something in the engine broke. Good. They're sleepy as well. Sleepy. Oh, sleepy. Yeah, sleepy. Okay. Wake up. We waited several hours. Then we boarded the airplane. Good. Since I live in California. Yeah, good. California. Yeah, California. Excellent. Good. Your turn. You try. California. Yeah, California. Yeah, well done, Yobi. Well done. Good. I think next time I'll take the train. Well done, everybody. Good job.